My name is Hassan. I'm the CEO of Ducorr Middle East. We are a company that focuses on sustainability and durability of assets. I've had this business running for a long time. I really wanted to know more about run my business better. So I had a couple of my friends that have been using coaches. And I found that they had a tremendous effect on their business, at least by my scaling. So I decided I wanted to do the same thing, see what benefits I could get from it. Really, in the first instance, a lot of tools, methodologies that I could use to scale up our business, to make it much more durable, more resilient. And really, this is what we're aiming to get from the coaching. I've been with Murtaza for about a month. The biggest benefit so far is really getting control of my time. And that's happened because he's helped me to identify and implement methods that would really allow me to control the business using less time. So that's been really the biggest, and it's only been a month. Immediately, the building up of our executive team so that they can feel much more empowered and authorized to do things, so that the company will become more of a lean machine running itself and doing what needs to be done. That's our immediate intent.